What the hell's your problem? Don't try to jump all the way from there.
You can't, though. There's a towel right there.
Ready? Here we go.
Let's see.
Are you clean? You're not even dry. Megan didn't even give me 2 seconds to wipe you up.
Right? She's videotaping. Stop. Look out! Brandy! Brandy, let's see! This is nice.
It's not dry at all, Megan.
There! Look out! I see!
Okay. Chill out, you nutty bunch. Urgh.
Lexi, run! Come on!
Lexi.
Very seriously.
Over there. Catch it now. Ow!
Get her, Lexi.
Snap her head. Are you dry now?
She's gonna get you.
Ow! Give me the towel back. Wrap up the little burrito.
Oh, now what do you do, dog? Your burrito.
Are you dry? No, not really. She just rolls over herself. I did it better. Is it all dry now? Are you all dry?
Hey, Lexi, got water in your ears? Lexi's gonna do her sundial now. And the other way.
Here, Lexi, I dry yours.
I saw your status, by the way, Mom. Really?
Will you stop it?
Well, it's weird.
What?
It felt weird.
Brandy! Stop. Stop, Brandy. I'm trying to dry off that ear. There we go.
Lexi.
Get her, Lexi.
I got the burrito! Spank her! You're gonna wreck the towel.
Or do you think I said don't use my towel? Lexi, get it.
We don't, there's a towel. It's not a toy. Let go, Busy.
Back her head. No!
Let go.
Let go, or you will have to fear my wrath.
How'd that work out for you? Lexi's just sitting there going, what? Excuse me.
Termite over there. Stop
Randy,
it.
can you please get that out of her mouth?
Let go.
Blow her nose.
Oh, that works.